Presenting TECNO Pop 8 smartphone. The available color variants are Mystery White and Gravity Black. It comes with massive 8GB of RAM and 64GB of ROM, which includes a dedicated SD card slot for up to 1TB expansion. Designed with 6.56-inch dot-in display with dynamic port to track all notifications, ultra-fast side edge fingerprint sensor with anti-oil and 90Hz refresh rate. Built with 12MP dual rear camera of focal length 1.85 aperture and 8MP dual flashlight front camera of focal length 2.0 aperture, and features HDR photography, super night photography, AI auto scene detection and time-lapse. It has robust Octa-Core T606 processor to provide incredibly fast performance with ARM Cortex A-75 CPU. It comes with massive 5000 mAh battery with versatile Type-C charger for 10 watts output and gives improved battery optimization. The box includes headset, USB cable, power adapter and phone case.